how to convert Word to PDF on your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you convert Word file to PDF by using your mobile phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first, you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Word to PDF. Alright, so after you search Word to PDF, you can easily find out all of the website that will provide you to convert the Word file to PDF. So simply from here, you can easily browse any one of these websites to convert your file. So I will recommend you to use the allovepdf.com. So it is one of the most popular website that will easily convert your Word file to PDF. So simply you'll have to just open any website. Alright, so after you open the website, tap on the option select your Word file. Okay, so from your file manager, you'll have to just select the Word file whom you want to convert, and after you select it, you'll have to just tap on the option open just at the top right corner. Okay, so after you added your Word file, you'll have to just tap on the option convert to PDF just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so it will process and it will take time to conversion, and after the conversion will complete, you can easily tap on the option download PDFs to download the converted PDF from your device. So you can easily tap on the option download, and from here you can easily download that converted PDF file to your device. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.